Hey there pretty people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, my name is Ilma Iqbal Shamsi and I do post fashion and makeup related content onto my YouTube channel. So, first of all, I'm really sorry that I didn't post anything last week, but I will try to be regular in future. So today I'm going to create this bold eyes makeup look. It is a bit traditional look with which you can go with any party or a wedding function. Without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. And if you're good and you like to glam this end of the so glam yourself with this glam up look. And this is a very easy and a simple look. You can also go with a tika over your head and a necklace. I kept this look a bit cute by just holding a bit and just wearing a rhombus kind of earring, golden. This is a shimmery earring, and that's it. With a ring. Okay, so let's starting with the base. I'm here using B Blush Face Makeup Primer and taking out some quantity on my index finger and applying it on the T-zones of my face. Primer helps us to avoid any chemicals that are present in makeup products or to getting pimples. So it is a must-have product in every vanity. I'm patting it all over my face gently. So for the foundation, I'll be using NY Bay Liquid Foundation and taking out some quantity on the back of my hand and spotting it all over my face to get a complete natural look. It's my opinion that blending the foundation with your fingers are more convenient than using a beauty blender, because beauty blender absorb more quantity with it. And do not forget to apply the foundation onto your neck, and I am done with it. So for the concealer, I'll be using NY Bay Concealer in the shade White and Milk Chocolate, applying on the under eyes and the inner corners of my eyes. On the high zones of my face and the dark zones of my face. So with the help of a blending brush, I'll be blending all the concealers. While concealing, do not rush with your brush. Take your time and go easy. Naturally with the brush without rushing and covering all over my face. I am done with it. And for the packing of the concealer, I'll be using NY Bay Compact. Packing of a concealer is must. It makes the concealing areas look creaseless and go flawless. When we apply loose powder or any compact powder, it gives our look a matte finish touch, which is very important in mostly makeup look. And I am done with it. So for the eyeshadow, I'll be taking Wet n Wild 4-color eyeshadow palette and taking the transition shade and moving my blending brush back and forth onto my transition area, taking a more amount and again doing the same. Actually, transition shade gives depth to our eyes and it should be taken in a darker shade, and I am done with it. For the outer corner of my eyes, I'll be taking this mauve color eyeshadow from the palette SFR color and taking a bit amount and applying on the outer corners of my eyes, making an angle V and moving my brush back and forth and blending all the eyeshadow into it. Keep checking into the mirror if you are making the right V shape or not. Doing the same for the another eye. Rosy, but I was not at all satisfied with the shade, so I'll be taking brownie shade again from the SFR eyeshadow palette and applying on the outer corners of my eyelid with the help of the finger, and again on the another eye. With the help of blending brush, I'll be blending all the shades in it. Taking the same shade and applying on the lower lash area of my eyes to give it a more depth look. Just to glitter up inner corners, I'll be taking the golden shimmery shade and applying on the inner corners of my eyes. Actually, this shade is helping the eyes look more brighter, and I am done with it. For the bronzer of my face, I'll be using the palette Try On and taking the more browny shade from it and bronzing on my jawline. Forehead area to look it more depth and natural, and bronzing the face. Again, taking the same palette, I'll be highlighting the high points of my face, like bridge of the nose, chin area, cheekbone, and cupid's bow, and a little bit onto my forehead. Taking the same shadow palette, applying the golden shimmery shade on the inner corners of my eye. And I am done with the eyeshadow. For the lips, I'll be taking a nude shade lipstick from the brand Huda Beauty and applying onto my lips. But I am not satisfied with it, and I applied another lip color, and pairing up with the earrings, I am ready to rock. This is the very first tutorial of mine, and I am a bit nervous about the outcomes, but I just love the outcome.